Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Yoon from J Art Studio. Today we're gonna do negative painting, and these are the material that you need. You need a brush and a cup of water, tempera paints and canvas. First, we're gonna create some abstract art on the blank canvas. You can just dilute the color with water and paint anywhere you like. Abstract art is being able to put different colors and shapes and textures together, create a finished pieces that represent something in particular. It can be anything actually. So how do you feel today? Do you feel blue today, or do you feel a lot of circle today or lines today? Just express yourself with the lines and colors, and make sure the composition and balance is right. Okay, now I'm gonna do some practice on this white paper. If you like the drawing and painting, this could be the technique for you, as this is a way to add patterns and draw some shapes on the top of a painted abstract background. Painting from imagination can be difficult to do if you start from the blank canvases, right? But here, we are going to use an abstract background as a way to get your imagination going. So my imaginations are like under deep in the garden. I see a lot of leaves and flowers, and there's a bird sitting on the branch and a rabbit. Or you can come up with different types of imagination, like a jungle. There's elephants with a crocodile, and toucan is just sitting on top of an elephant, or the monkeys are hanging on the trees, and a lot of jungle leaves around. Or underwater sea, like whales, and the dolphins are jumping, and like octopus are, big shark, and small fishes and stuff like that. So any types of pattern of your imagination images are wonderful. Okay, after that, if you like the image, you're gonna be drawing on the canvas, and then you start paint the background with a black acrylic paint. So when you get to do this, very important part here, you paint the outside, you paint the background. You're not gonna paint the image. So this is all about the negative painting. You're gonna paint the outside background of the image. Okay? Now I want you to enjoy and have fun painting. Now we are offering online classes and shipping our art materials. And anyone who's interested from US, please email to us jrstudio@gmail.com. Thank you.